5 of best exercises you can ever do. Harvard Health. Tip number 1. Swimming is the best training. The buoyancy of the water supports the body, relieves joint pain and allows for more fluent movement. Swimming is suitable for people with arthritis because it weighs less, he explains. Emin Lee, professor of Harvard Medical School. Swimming can also improve mental health and improve mood, according to a study. Underwater aerobics is another option. These classes help you burn calories and get in shape. Tip number 2. This Chinese martial art, which combines exercise and relaxation, is good for the body and mind. In fact, it is called moving meditation. Tai Chi consists of a series of graceful movements, one of which smoothly blends into the next. Tai Chi is available and valuable to people of all ages and fitness levels, as classes are offered at different levels. Balance is an important part of fitness, and it's especially good for older people because it's something we lose as we get older, he says. Lee. Start and take a course to help you learn the right format. Tai Chi programs can be found at your local YMCA, health club, community center, or senior center. Tip number 3. If you think strength training is a macho and muscular activity, think again. Lifting a light weight does not build muscle, but keeps it strong. If you don't use muscle, you'll lose strength over time, he says. Lee. Muscle also helps burn calories. Lee. Like other exercises, strength training helps maintain brain function in later years. Before starting the weight training program, it is important to learn the proper form. Start lightly with just 1 to 2 pounds. You should be able to easily lift the weight 10 times. After a few weeks, increase the amount by 1 to 2 pounds. Tip number 4. Walking is simple, yet powerful. It can help you stay trim, improve cholesterol levels, strengthen bones, keep blood pressure in check, lift your mood, and lower your risk for a number of diseases, diabetes and heart disease, for example. A number of studies have shown that walking and other physical activities can even improve memory and resist age-related memory loss. All you need is a well-fitting and supportive pair of shoes. Start with walking for about 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Over time, you can start walking even faster until you can walk 30 to 60 minutes on most days of the week. Tip number 5. These exercises don't help look good, but they do just as important: strengthen the muscles of the pelvic floor that support the bladder. Strong pelvic floor muscles help prevent incontinence. Many women are familiar with Kegel, but these exercises also help men. For proper Kegel exercises, tighten the muscles used to prevent the passage of urine and gas. Be sure to completely relax the pelvic floor muscles after contraction. Repeat 10 times. Try to do 4 to 5 sets a day. Much of what we do for fun, and for work, counts as exercise. Collecting the garden is counted as a physical activity. There are also ballroom dances and games with children and grandchildren. As long as you take some aerobic exercise for more than 30